Hi, I'm Oklahoma City Attorney Aaron Easton, and if you've been charged with a crime, at some point you might hear the term plea bargain. What exactly is a plea bargain, and should you take one? So let's break it down. What is a plea bargain? A plea bargain is an agreement between you and the prosecutor where you agree to plead guilty or no contest to a charge in exchange for a reduced sentence, lesser charges, or some other concession. It's a way to resolve your case without going to trial. But how does a plea bargain work? Once a prosecutor makes an offer, your attorney will review it with you. Together, you'll decide if accepting the deal is in your best interest or if you should fight the charges in court. Plea deals often happen before the trial starts, but they can occur at any stage of the process. So, some pros of accepting a plea bargain are one, as mentioned, reduced charges. In many cases, a plea bargain can lower the severity of the charge that you're originally charged with, which often leads to lighter penalties. Two, it comes with a guaranteed outcome. Trials are unpredictable. By accepting a plea, you know exactly what consequences you're facing instead of leaving your fate in the hands of a jury. And three, it avoids a trial, which can be long, stressful, and expensive. A plea deal allows you to avoid the uncertainties and the public exposure of trial. There's cons, of course. If you accept a plea offer, you do waive your right to a trial. So by accepting that, you've got the opportunity to have your case heard by a jury and to challenge the evidence that's against you. Two, you'll have a criminal record. Even if the charges are reduced, a conviction is a conviction and it will appear in your criminal record. There are, of course, some limited circumstances. There are ways to expunge that criminal record, but nonetheless, that is what you're agreeing to. And three, there's possible harsher outcome with a plea bargain. So in some cases, especially if the prosecutor's case is weak, you might receive a better outcome by going to trial and fighting your charges. So to answer the question, should you take a plea bargain? The answer wholly depends on your unique situation, the strength of the evidence against you, and what's at stake for you. So that's why having an experienced criminal defense attorney is so important. An attorney can assess the deal, weigh the pros and cons, and help you make the best decision for your future. Also make sure you're not pressured into a deal that is not in your best interest. So if you're facing criminal charges, don't navigate the plea bargain process alone. At Wirth Law Office, we're here to evaluate your case, fight for your rights, and guide you through every step. If you want to talk to an attorney about your case, the particularities, the specifics of your case, you're going to want to do so privately and confidentially. To speak with somebody at my firm, you can reach us by phone at 405-888-5400 or online at oklahomacitycriminaldefenseattorney.pro.